What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I apply my wig. This is my very first like human hair wig with the lace and everything like that. And so I of course watched a few videos on YouTube, not exactly when I got the wig, but like over time, you know how you just watch people apply wigs. That's what I would do. And so I got my Got to Be Glue freeze spray and I just spray it and then I apply the wig. Of course I use the blow dryer just to get it tacky and then I just apply the wig. This is just the way I do it. I know that there are several different ways that people apply their wigs, but because I usually come in at night and take mine right off, I just do what's best for me. So if you like this like more easier and less steps way of applying a wig, very easy, nothing like super major. So yeah, if you're interested, then make sure you keep watching. Also, if you want to see how I straighten this wig, if you want to know where I got this wig from or the hair from, who made the wig, all that will be listed below, as well as a video of me straightening the hair. So yeah, keep on watching. So first I'm gonna go in with my Eben New York 24-hour edge tamer extra mega hold, and I really love this edge control. Like my sister put me on to it. Like I was over their house and she had the edge control and I used it and I'm like, wow, that edge control was good. It held my edges down literally for 24 hours because the next day it was still like working. So I'm like, I have to have some of that, and I finally got my hands on it. So if you're looking for a good edge control, I would definitely recommend it. So this is just the way that I do my hair, and I just started doing it. So over time, I'm pretty sure I'll learn more and just develop new techniques or whatnot. But I just wanted to show you guys how I apply my wig. So I'm just applying that edge control on my edges to lay my edges down because my edges are out of control, okay? And you see I did the little Meek Mill braids, you know, your girl out here learning how to braid or whatever. But no, like I'm underhanded, so yeah. So next I go in with the freeze spray by Got to Be Glue. And then I go in for like 45 to maybe 35 to 45 seconds with the blow dryer. Now, I have watched videos recently where people say they put it on cool, but mine was on like warm. So I don't know, it works for me, so that's what I do. So I do not use a wig cap because someone made my wig, it's a cap already on there. I know people usually go in with a colored wig cap. I also tried to use one and I wasn't really feeling it. And then the one that I got was also too light for my scalp. So I didn't realize I needed something the same color as my skin. Duh, girl. But yeah, I just left that alone. And I'm like, well, let me just do it the way I would usually do it if I was wearing a wig. One of them synthetic wigs. I usually just go in with no cap sometimes. So here is me using the end of my rat tail comb, and I am applying the edges of the lace down where I applied the Got to Be. Now this is not gonna lay down on my entire, like the front part is not gonna lay down completely because this is not a frontal, it's just a closure. So yeah. And I like to lay mine down like behind, a little bit behind my edges because I like it to look natural. I don't like it to be on my forehead. That looks super like wiggy to me and I hate it. So this is how I apply mine. And I know a lot of people may think like, girl, we could see, you know, we could see the difference, but for, you know, just random people down the street, they would not know. So this is how I kind of like try to blend my hairs and the closure together by laying them down with the edge control. And this works for me. Like even guys, you know, these days guys are so able to tell when girls are wearing wigs and all this other junk. This guy didn't know I had on a wig. I'm like, okay, that means I'm kind of doing something right. But you know, it's just what you like. So you do what you like and whatever works for you. This is what I like. So this looks like a fresh sew-in to me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and you learned something, and I would like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.